Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the equation x squared minus 2x is equal to 2024. So, to solve this, I need to find the value of x, because this is my variable in this equation. And now, for my solution, I'm going to start by rewriting my equation down here so I have a little more solving space. So my equation is x squared minus 2x is equal to 2024. And I'm first going to subtract 2024 on both sides. So now I have x squared minus 2x minus 2024 is equal to 0. Now, from here, I need to find two numbers that, when multiplied, get negative 2024. So we can say that a times b is equal to negative 2024, and that add up, so a plus b, to negative 2. So negative 2024 is the same thing as negative 46 times 44. And negative 46 plus 44 is negative 2, so these two numbers work out. So now, for x squared minus 2x minus 2024, I'm going to replace this with x squared minus 46x plus 44x minus 2024 is equal to 0. Now from here, I can factor by grouping. So I'm going to group these two terms, and then I'm going to group these two terms. So the greatest common factor from x squared minus 46x is simply x. So I get x times x minus 46 plus, from the greatest common factor from 44x minus 2024 is 44. So I get 44 times x minus 46 is equal to 0. And now from here, because both of these terms have x minus 46 in them, I can factor out x minus 46. So I get x minus 46 times x plus 44 is equal to 0. And now from here, if I separate these two into two equations, I get x minus 46 is equal to 0, and x plus 44 is equal to 0. So these are my two equations that I get from this. Now, for my first equation, x minus 46 equals 0, I can add 46 on both sides. So then these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 46. Now from x plus 44 equals 0, I can subtract 44 on both sides. So I get x is equal to negative 44. So these are my two solutions for this equation. So now to check, my original equation is x squared minus 2x equals 2024. So let's first start by checking x equals 46. So if x equals 46, I get 46 squared minus 2 times 46 is equal to 2024. 46 squared is equal to 2116, and I have this minus 2 times 46, which is 92, is equal to 2024. And 2116 minus 92 is 2024. So I get 2024 is equal to 2024. Now I'm going to check when x equals negative 46. Sorry, I'm going to check when x equals negative 44. So when x equals negative 44, I get negative 44 squared minus 2 times negative 44 is equal to 2024. Now, negative 44 squared is equal to 1,936. Now I have this plus 88 is equal to 2024. And 1,936 plus 88 is 2024. So I get 2024 is equal to 2024. Now, before I end the video, I want to show you a quick other way of solving this equation. So my equation is x squared minus 2x is equal to 2024. And I'm going to do the same step that I did last time. I'm going to subtract 2024 on both sides. So I get x squared minus 2x minus 2024 is equal to 0. However, now I'm going to factor this by using the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 2, and c is negative 2024. So I get x is equal to negative of negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared. So negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 2024, all over 2a. So 2 times 1. And now this is equal to positive 2 plus or minus the square root of positive 4 plus 4 times 2024, which is going to equal 4,096, all over 2. And now I get x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4,100 over 2. Now, the square root of 4,100 this is 8,096. So this should be 8,100. This is 8,096. So the square root of 8,100 is going to be 90. So I get x is equal to 2 plus or minus 90 over 2. So I get x is equal to 92 over 2, which is 46. And x equals negative 88 over 2, which is equal to negative 44.